Hello. So in this video tutorial, I will talk about trading Aziz using the AI signals notifications. So as you can see, after you press the start, the bot will show you this page. So you click on trading Aziz, wait for a few seconds, then there it goes. The AI signals notification. You click on it, then you have scalping, intraday, and swing. So before I go into this tree, all right, the AI signals notification functions actually sends you the real-time trading signals to you based on the selected pair and the signal frequency. All right, we have soft, we have moderate, we have aggressive. All right. So for example, if we go to scalping, all right, you can choose. Then we choose on commodities because I'm a gold trader. So there you go. We have soft, we have medium, we have aggressive. So let me talk to you through this soft signal frequency will give you at least 1 to 6 setup per day. The medium will give you at least 10 to 16 setup per day. Aggressive will give you at least 16 to 24 setups per day. Usually I will go to soft, all right, because soft will give me better and low risk, better quality. All right, so these notifications are sent to you when the market opportunities arise, allowing you to act quickly. All right, so once you have started this, so you can see we click on the soft, then the notification will send to your Telegram automatically. So this is one of the example. For example, if the notification shows up like this, I'm gonna walk you through one by one. All right. So when you receive these notifications, scalping, because you have set the notification for scalping, pair goal, signal buy. So what you do, study the entry price and the take profit levels, and then you have your SL. So what you do is you mark on your chart for the buy level. Click on this. You can go to your MP4, MP5, and you can put a line or you can put the buy limit using this price. Okay. Again, 3021.45. Okay, there. So this is your entry price level. So where would you put your SL? Then we put following the stop loss price here. Okay, 3019.15, and your TP we can go for 3023, 3024, or 3026.75. And there you go. This is the scalping setup. Alright, so price did not enter. So what you can do usually, you can place the buy limit order here, SL here, and the TP according to TP1, TP2, and TP3. Or you can enter 3 layers for each TP. Or you can enter with 1 layer, and it's your option to whether you want to close it at TP1 or TP2 or TP3. So this is the notification for the AI signal. All right.